Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So in today's video we'll be covering multiplication theorem, and in my previous video I have covered theory of addition theorems as well as practical problems of addition theorem. So I'll be covering more practical problems in future videos, but today before moving to that practical problems of addition theorem, let's discuss today multiplication theorem. And if you haven't checked the basics of probability and its definition, I'll leave the link in the description box as well as in the iCard. uh, I apologize if there is some noise background, so please forgive for that, because some construction work is going on, some work is going on outside the window, so I cannot do anything about it. So next, first let's see what are independent events. So I've given a basic definition of independent events and why independent event is relevant to this multiplication theorem. So independent event. So an event is said to be independent of another event B if the probability of occurrence of one of them is not affected by the occurrence of the other. So the literal meaning of independent event is that these events occur freely of each other. It does not, they are not related. That is, if one event happens, it does not affect the occurrence of the other event. That is what independent events mean. In more simple words, we can say that independent event means the event which happens when there is a replacement. Okay, so just understand that events that happens when a replacement is done, that is independent events, and events that occur when replacement is not done, that is dependent event. Okay, so let's say you are picking two cards from a pack of cards, and how you are picking is, first you pick up one card, okay, and you replace it, you keep the first card, and then you are picking up the second card. Okay, so there a replacement has done. That means that these two events are independent. Okay, one does not obstruct or one does not affect the occurrence of the other event because you have replaced it. So why independent theorem is, why I have explained independent events here is, that is what multiplication theorem, like if two events A and B are independent, the probability that they both will occur is equal to the probability of their individual probability. So let's say if A and B are independent, then P of A and B is equal to P of A into P of B. Now the theorem can even extend up to two or more independent events. So I hope it is clear. Okay, so just multiplication theorem, it means that when events A and B are independent, P of A and E is the product of their individual probability, that is P of A into P of B. I hope it is clear. So in future videos, I'll be covering practical problems of addition theorem, more complicated problems, and then I'll be covering multiplication theorems, practical problems, then we'll move on to conditional theorems as well. So this is just complementary event. If event A is an event and the probability of A is given by P of A, then complementary event means, that is P of A not occurring is equal to 1 minus P of A. You can use this in practical problems. We'll cover it up. So I hope you understood what is multiplication theorem, and I hope you will not forget. Just understand, replacement means independent. If replacement has happened, that is independent event. If it has not happened, then it is dependent event. If you like this video and you feel that you have got some value out of it, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. For more topics, please DM me on my Insta handle, Simple Learning Tips 2019. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.